back to Think Turkey. Today we are here with Metin abi. He's just leaving. Merhaba Metin abi. How are you? Good.
İyiyim, sağ ol.
So he's our main expert actually for these designs. We are in a tiny house in Antalya, and I will show you around. And this is something that you can purchase actually from our close friend Metin abi. So don't forget to click like, contact the number below, and I will show you around now what this product looks like. Thank you very much. Thank you Metin abi. Do you want to say something? Do you want to talk? Do you want to say?
Evlerimiz gayet güzel, kullanışlı. Alan herkesin çok memnun olabileceği yeni bir hayat tarzı. Alıcısına şimdiden hayırlı olsun.
Teşekkürler. Çok sağ olun.
Sağ ol.
Teşekkürler. Yeah. So here is the entrance of this tiny house from right here. There are a few other samples here as well. And let me show you from this house how it looks. I step in. To my left-hand side, I've got the kitchen right here and the bathroom. The ceiling is a little short, but to be honest, it's okay. I mean, I am almost 6 feet tall and I can fit in, okay? So here is the bathroom. The showers is like a full-size shower. Bathroom here, nice, decent bathroom. Toilet is connected directly. You've got here sink, space for a washing machine if you want to put a dishwasher here, and there's space here if you want also for a washing machine or let's say a fridge, a mini fridge. There's some storage space here as well. There's some more storage space here and some more storage space here, and there's a tiny. So this is actually a 2-bedroom, 2 tiny bedrooms. So there's like stairs going up. Here, there's a space here with the windows. You can see quite decent space here. And then on this side, there's also another space. So you can see they have outlets here, windows. So it doesn't feel that small actually. Now that I'm here, let me see, let me lie down here and see how it feels. Yeah. So right now I'm lying down here. To be honest, doesn't feel that small because my hands can't even reach the top. And I can comfortably sit up here without any issue. Okay, so let me go back down. All right. Now let's go to the other one. Let me show you this one from outside. Okay. This is how it looks from outside. You can see beautiful construction here. You've got the drainage, water is draining here. You've got all the connections here. You've got the number plate and electricity from here connection. And here you've got some connection for the sewage water system. Metin abi şurayı bir göstersem. Let me show this one too as well. Look at these windows here, beautiful. These are from insects. They're protecting from insects. Check this one out. This one is the same as that one. You can see the roof here, 1 bedroom, but this is what I really like. Look at this part right here. Look how big the living room area looks like. I really like this because it's so spacious. And there's a huge window. You can see it's raining like crazy right now. And it just looks very nice. So they've all have electricity connection space. They come with a car ownership, so the number plates, so you can actually put this on any land. You don't need a permission. This can be towed by by basically any kind of pickup truck which has at least 2 or 3 tons capacity. So actually you can use a tow truck, you can pay, and when you buy this actually gets covered by the person who's selling this here, that we are selling this to our partners. We will deliver this to you basically. So within Antalya, if it's nearby, within this province, we can deliver it for free if it's not too far. But if it's gonna be like, more than an hour drive away, then yeah, we're gonna charge you for that, an extra fee. As you can see, they have space for an air conditioner connection, so that comes, you know, as an attachment as well. And yeah, so that's it. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I enjoyed it. And thanks once again to our friend and partner, Mr. Metin, who I will say goodbye to. Thank you very much.